Hello readers. This is Visit Mema, and this is a new book that I'm reading. It's the Creektown Discoveries series, and this is Volume 1, The Walnut Creek Wish by Wanda Brunstetter. Welcome to Walnut Creek, Ohio, where Orley and Lois Troyer own an antique store they call the Memory Keepers. Though knowledgeable in antiques and their repair, their real talent is in mentoring folks who are hurting and don't even know it. Enter Jeff, a restaurateur, and Rhonda, a hotel manager, who recently moved to Amish country for the slow pace. But the change of scenery puts even more stress on their already strained marriage. Will an antique sleigh be the last straw, or will it lead to unexpected revelations and the fulfillment of dreams? Enjoy! It's the first book.